All right, okay, go. Keep going.
What I was talking about Muslim thing that we should sit together, get together, and resolve the small issue which we have among each other. We got to go back to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. What the guidance he has given to us for this time and age. For us as a Muslim is very simple and very clear. He told when my Imam will come in the latter days, accept him. He will unify all Muslim and all mankind. This we have the solution. If the other Muslims try to join us with a clear vision, what they are looking for, they also have a big benefit to join this movement so we'll be all together. Because we believe that he was sent by God to unify all the Muslims. Is he rejected? Yes. If you look at the life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, what happened at that time? When he came, the people of Makkah, they were throwing rock on him. Don't let him pray. Don't let him go to Khana Kaaba. Did he stop to giving that message, conveying that message? No. This is his second manifestation which we believe that the Messiah and that Mahdi has come already. I request all the Muslims to check it out. If he is from God, we should accept him. If he's not, we should reject him. But we must give him a chance to check it out. And if he don't fit on that criteria of a reformer, I request them to reject. But to give an honest understanding and investigation is a responsibility of every Muslim. That is the way our understanding is going to be unified. Yes, we no doubt we have some differences among the Muslims. No question about that. We should sit and try to see how we can get united other issues, which are not a real issue, commonalities we have. We believe in one prophet, we believe in one book, we believe in one God. These are the grounds where we can sit and get together and have a mutual understanding from each other just for the unification of all Muslims. May Allah Almighty give us the wisdom that we get together and we will become a force in America. Because Islam is coming in America. Whether we give the message or not, after 9/11, more than 38,000 people accepted Islam on their own, with their own investigation. We as the Muslims should get together at this time, and may Allah Almighty give us the wisdom to sit down and we try to manage these things and call the people toward Allah. Thank you very much.
If I may interject and try to respond your point of view. In other words, the concept of unity from Ahmadiyya perspective is that we have to incline and join together and follow the leadership of your organization, the Ahmadiyya organization. Is that the concept of the unity that you just?
My concept of unity is we should follow whatever the Prophet of Islam told us what to do in the latter days. He said, if you don't understand Arabic, he said, Yushiku ayyati ala nas zamanun, a time is going to come on the Muslim. La yabka min al-Islam lasmahu. Islam will be used only with the words, with Nara Takbir. Wala yabka min al-Quran illa rasmahu. And the Holy Quran will be used only for the rituals, not for reading, not getting the knowledge, not getting the understanding. Then he says, Ba ulama'uhum, and the ulama at that time, sharru min tahta adim as-samai, they will be the worst creation under the canopy of the sun. Min indihim takhrujul fitnatu wa fihim ta'ud. They lead the people in those directions which don't take them toward God. This is the condition of the Muslim at that day. But he also gives us a glad tidings that when the Messiah and Mahdi will come, Yuhyiddina wa yuqimu shariata, that he will put a new life in Islam and he will modify the Sharia for the people of that time. So we believe as Ahmadi Muslim, we are the lucky one at this time who had the opportunity to see him, to read his books, read his guidance, which is a universal guidance at this time, but that fulfilling the prophecy of Prophet of Islam. So it's nothing different than the Islam in original form. This phenomena happened before at the time of Jesus. When he came, the Jews rejected him, and we believe that he was a prophet from God. But thousands of Jews in Jerusalem, they rejected him. Only few accepted him. Why? Because they were stick to their own belief don't want to change according to the same of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Jesus was the son of Mary, so they got discarded. They didn't accept the Messiah. This is the same time we are going through, but he warned us. This reformer warned us that the third world war is on the verge, and it is very close. If the people are not going to make their act together, they are going to be punished by God. Every bad thing, every sin, we can see it. We see at the time of Lot. At that time, the people were talking about homosexuality. This is not the only evil we are facing. There are hundreds of evil we are facing at this time. And the God haven't sent anybody to remind us, to guide us. We believe that Messiah has come. He warned. If we're not going to listen to him, the big majority of the human race will be destroyed. Not too long in front of our eyes, when these big blocks are going to fight with each other. He gave us the warning. We are conveying the warning to all the Muslims, to all the Christians. Come back to God so we can be saved from that curse which is pondering over on this humanity, on this globe. Thank you very much. Any other question?
So in other words, do you think that there's neither room to open up for discussion, for dialogue, like bringing people, every group of the Muslim come sit down on the table, like try to engage in dialogue, discussion, try to
Absolutely.
examine the evidence, examine the proof.
Exactly.
Right.
I can give you one site.
Okay.
It's called alislam.org.
Okay.
alislam.org. I request every Muslim to go over there, check by himself, is that make any sense? And from there, yes, we can have the dialogue. We can tell them, what we believe and what is according to Holy Quran and the Sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They can call us anytime. We have a number 1-800-WHY-ISLAM, 1-800-WHY-ISLAM. They can call and they can get the response within 24 hours for all their questions.
Okay, thank you. Please, thank you for your thought, for your sharing.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. And we love all the Muslims. They can come and we can join us anywhere we are, because this is what we are supposed to do at this time in America. We are more than Jews in America, but our impact is so low that we cannot influence any of the election up till now because we are not united. So we should try to get united wherever we are, in the cities, state level, federal level. We should try to work this thing out. And inshallah, we will be succeed and we will bring that peace, everlasting peace in this country. Inshallah.
Inshallah, please.
Jazakallah for giving me the opportunity.